Hi, today we're going to teach you on how to block and unblock people on TikTok. Before we start, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now let's begin. The first thing that we need to do or learn is how to block someone on TikTok. Let's say that we choose this person to us to block. So what we need to do here is to simply press this arrow on the top right of our screen, and from there simply press on block. It's going to ask you if you want to block that person. Simply click on block that person. However, if you want to unblock that person, what we need to do here is to head on over to our profile, click to the top right of our screen, the three lines there, and from there head on over to settings. And from there scroll down until you see privacy, and after that scroll down until you see blocked accounts. And as you can see here, the person that we just blocked earlier is currently in this section. And in order for us to unblock that person, we can simply press on unblock, and then you can now see that person once again, or they will no longer be blocked. I hope this video helped, and thank you for watching.